Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Lincoln Navigator. This feature allows you to warm up or cool down your vehicle before you even step inside, ensuring maximum comfort. We'll cover two primary methods, using your key fob and utilizing the convenient Lincoln Way app. Get ready to make your daily drives even more enjoyable and efficient with this fantastic capability. To begin with your key fob, first make sure all your vehicle doors are securely locked. Next, press the lock button on your key fob one time. Immediately after, press the remote start button, which often looks like a circular arrow, 2 times within 3 seconds. Your Navigator's exterior lights will flash and the engine will start, indicating successful remote activation. For an even more advanced experience, the Lincoln Way app offers seamless remote starting. First, download and set up the app on your smartphone, then add your Navigator to your account. Once logged in, simply select your vehicle and tap the remote start icon. The app will confirm the command, and your engine will spring to life, ready for your arrival. Here are some important tips for using your remote start. The engine will typically run for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can extend this by pressing the remote start button again on your key fob or in the app. Remember, your climate control system will automatically adjust to your last settings. Also, ensure your fuel tank is at least 1/4 full for the system to operate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.